just here back again. So I'm very happy to this one. And now, so I'm going to have some problem related to the determinants. And before going to the problem, I want to tell you about some characteristics of the determinant. Is it right? Previously, I was just solved one problem, and it might be more helpful for you. There's no problem with this one. Now I just tell you about some characteristics of determinant. Okay. And before going to determinant, I want to tell you about the English word. That means word. It might be proportional or identical. Okay. For that, I just give small such terms. Listen here. So look at here. If I just say 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3 means you just look at two lines. Okay. In both two lines, these two rows are identical. Is it right? Yeah, I'm sure. Okay. And now listen here. If I must so take this one as R1, this one's R2. Okay. And now I just go for R3. In R3, I just write 2, 4, 6. These two are said to be in identical. Okay. So because identical means same thing should be repeated once again. But these two, when you compare these two, so all these three means this is over what? Proportional. So proportional means something with that the outcome. So if I just say 1, 2, 3 means, and if we just multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2, so this is called proportional. So that means what? If I just take 2 outside means I can write 1, 2, 3. Is it right? So this 1 2, 3 is coming back. So this is the meaning of proportionality. Okay. So with this, a matrix have much more characteristic. Okay. And I'll just tell you about the characteristics in now in the coming problem. So please stay this one. Okay. Just 1 minute. Okay. So now I do. So now what I'm going to do means this is in here. I'm going to have a small characteristics. Listen here. So 1, 2, 3, and a 4, 5, 6, and then this is about 7, 8, 9. So I'm just writing in a different way, okay, because I want to write this characteristics right. So I'm just write 3, 6, 9. Okay. So listen here. And suppose if I just check the determinant of a matrix of this matrix means. So what could be the determinant? Can you just tell me? Determinant means what? Automatically you may go for it says equal to, so 1 into, and then you just hide this one. Is it right? This one 9 into 6, and then a minus 9 into 8. It may go on, etc. Is it right? May go on, etc. But this will not work. Look at here. Instead of doing everything, just leave it up right now. But look at some different way. Now listen here. This is column number 1 and this is column number 2. Both are proportional, right? Both column 1 and column 2 both are proportional. Suppose if we just multiply by 3, if multiply by 3, if I multiply by 3 means, and this will come. So what I say means, for a determinant, if 2 rows are more than also you can use, or any 2 columns, this is minimum 2 rows a column, then the determinant 2 rows, then it is 0. Okay. If in a determinant, if you want to find the value determinant, and suppose in that determinant there comes 2 rows and 2 columns are identical or proportional, and the determinant value will be is 0. Okay. And I hope I just hope you got more things. Now I wrap up. Okay, please note it down. Okay, because I have to go very fast. So note it down. I'll just pause the video or just come back to the video. Just write one come back. Okay. So I hope that you may understand very clearly. Suppose if you don't understand very clearly, means you just write in the comment box. Thank you very much. Also, please write. And I just give one more characteristic. Okay. So I hope that you're all studying. So you don't think about some basic or going by first standard level. No. I may go by a very different, higher way, and updated way, but not in the immediate. Okay. And another one. So what's going to be the another one is, so look at here. I'm just writing 1, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So now, what is the statement means? The determinant, okay, of any matrix will be equal to minus determinant of that or matrix of any row or any two rows or columns interchanged. Okay, interchanged. Now just I'll just tell you very clearly. Suppose what I size means you got 1 4 5 6, is it right? And if you interchange a row or column, that means 1 4 if you write down and 5 6 if you write up, or in other case 1 5 if you write this as second column and 4 6 as first column, means automatically if you consider this determinant and if you get the value, and suppose if you change any row or column and that determinant value will be the same but the sign will be different. Do you understand right me now? Okay, please listen here, I'll tell you very clearly. Okay, now you just no I don't want to rub off this one. So what I say is, when you find the determinant of this one, what's the determinant? 6 minus 5 6 or 5 4 20, is it right? 6 minus 20 means what? It will be equal to minus 14, is it right? And you take the same one with the change of a row or column places in. So for my convenience I change row 1 and row 2. Okay, so what is row 1? Row 1, row 2, R1 and R2, or otherwise I may write in some other fashion, R1 interchange with R2. So 5 6 1 4, row 2 goes to row 1 and row 1 comes to row 2. So now you take the math, that means what? 20 minus 6 is equal to 14. So this is 1 and this is 2. So from 1 and 2, for a determinant, if there comes a change of row or column, the value, that means the magnitude, will be the same. This is called the magnitude. That means the numerical value will be the magnitude and the sign will be different. Thank you all.